game politics. We bashed heads, right. So we just lost Sean. But we're gonna carry on, and Ethan's crying in the rain because he's peed his pants.
Let me show that for you.
Okay. Alright, stop bashing the screen.
My boy. I did that. I abused him.
Keep out of the way of the camera. We'll have to upload some iCreate things, shouldn't we? Nathan! Alright, so what's this one? The police station, I knew it! Ah! My god! Look at
The woman.
Nice! Someone sat on a chair, that's amazing.
Look at his neck. Like,
Do you think it's going to take long?
No, he should be finished soon.
shut up.
I want one of them.
Picture of the day. Oh, he's boring all the time.
Look at him.
This guy's boring. Can you make him do something else?
That's all he does.
Do something else, can he? Can't he play with tanks? Like I've heard.
No. How does he play with a tank then? Oh. Who's that?
I'm off, Charlene. I'll look at the reports later. I'll cancel all appointments for this afternoon.
Okay. Oh, Captain. Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI is here.
Jaden, of course. We've been expecting you. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Do you mind tagging along? We can talk as we walk.
Yeah, of course. I wanted to introduce myself before getting started, but perhaps there's a better time.
No, it's fine. I just have to get to the press conference. We have them every day now. Believe me, it's not always easy finding something to tell us. Fortunately, today we have some news. Have you met Lieutenant Blake yet?
Yeah, we met this morning.
He has his own methods, but he's a good cop. I'm sure you'll get them well together. Do you know how to tie a knot in a necktie?
I guess.
Look at it. Trollolololol.
I haven't got all day. See my assistant. We'll talk later.
I should get Perry's assistant to show me my office. I can't wait to get to work. Captain Perry is